Hey Gabsters, how are you Gabsters doing? Thank you so much for joining me on this video. I want to show you today how you can achieve and how I achieve my twisted faux undercut. So I bring you the fro. So yep, here it is. Here is the fro. Here she is, looking all bright and glorious. So here I use the Organics Sheer Butter shampoo and conditioner, and it is specifically targeted for dry and damaged hair, and it has organic shea butter. Here you go, and there you go, and there you go. So I'm stretching it out a little bit because I want it to be very voluminous. I have quite fine hair, so it tends to flop on me and basically just it has no structure. So whilst it is damp, I'm like literally just making it big. I just basically figure where I want my undercut to go, whether I want it to go straight back, or if I want to do a little bit of this. I want to do a little bit of this because it sort of gives me quite a dramatic look, which we love drama. So I'm not even going to do a lot. I'm just gonna, that hair that I had in my hand that was working for me, just hold that, clip it, one of these clips with the and I lock it down. See, that's the clip you need. Same thing on this side. Just lock it down, baby, lock it down. Do you guys see my style? It's already out. And then you flip the hair over any sort of opening, bring back the volume, and laying where you want them to be laying. You know what I mean? So happy with the style. And then any extra conditioner you might have in your hands, just rub it in. Hold it into place, because I told you guys I have proper fine hair. Nothing that a little bit of hairspray won't do fix. And then I'm going to use the Tresemme used by professionals, new 24-hour frizz control hairspray, and it's a fine spray, extra hold, long lasting finish, brushes out easily and fast.